Courgette or zucchini sabji, a very healthy, tasty side dish, can be prepared within 20 to 25 minutes. So here I have two courgette which weighs around 330 grams. I have washed it well and now we are going to cut it into small pieces. You can keep the skin on or you can peel the skin. Since the skin has most of the nutrients, so I am going to keep the skin on and we are going to chop it into small pieces. Not very finely, but not big chunks. So something like this. Hello everyone, welcome to Full House Kitchen. So today we are preparing courgette or zucchini sabji. For that, in a pan, here I am taking 2 tablespoons of oil, and into goes our seasoning, which is 1 teaspoon of cumin seed and 1 small red chili. Red chili is completely optional. Once the seasoning is cooked, our cumin seed is nicely crackling. Then we are going to add 2 to 3 garlic finely chopped. And we are going to cook the garlic for around 30 seconds. Garlic is looking good, so it's time to add onion. So here I have a small onion finely chopped, or you can have half a medium size of onion. So just mix it well and cook the onion until it's translucent for around 1 to 2 minutes. Onion is looking good, so now it's time to add zucchini. So I've cut both the zucchinis in similar sizes. So here I'm adding 2 zucchini, cut it into small pieces, and along with that I'm going to add some turmeric for color, so around half a teaspoon, and salt to taste. As zucchini is a family of a squash, so it is going to go down, so just make sure that you are adding less salt in the beginning because it goes down as it cooks, and if you add too much salt, then it will be really salty. So add little salt in the beginning for it to cook. Just give it a good mix and cover and let it cook on the medium-high flame. Keep stirring after 2 to 3 minutes and you will soon notice that the squash is becoming soft and it's going down. So keep cooking on medium-high flame and keep it covered. It's been 6 to 7 minutes. I have stirred it twice and our squash is almost cooked. So at this point I am adding around half a teaspoon of sabji masala. Any curry powder you can add. Or if you want to keep it without any spice, you can just cook it as it is and add black pepper towards the end. So I'm just adding here half a teaspoon of sabji masala, giving a good mix. I'm going to cook for another 2 to 3 minutes. Taste the salt and our sabji is ready. But as I mentioned, you can cook this squash without any spices. Just add black pepper at the end and this is amazing. It's very light, easy to digest, and you can enjoy this dish with anything, roti, rice, and you are going to love it. I hope you like this recipe, and there are plenty more recipes similar to this on our channel. So please like this recipe and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.